If you're applying for naturalization in the US, do not mess this up. We want to make sure you pass the first time. Mistake number 1, not studying the civics questions. Immigration is going to ask you 10 questions from the list of 100 published on their website, and you have to get at least 6 right. People often assume that they know the answers, but then when they're in front of the officer, they're nervous and they freeze up. So the solution? Here's what I tell all my clients. Make sure that you study all 100 questions. Even the easy ones, you need to be prepared. Mistake number 2, failing the English test. Many applicants focus on learning the civics questions, but they forget that English is part of the test. You must be able to speak English. One easy way for the officer to know is because they're going to be talking with you during the interview. You have to be able to read one sentence in English, and you have to be able to write one sentence in English. What's the solution? Practice reading, writing, and speaking English daily, and use the resources that are provided to you by immigration to practice and prepare. I know it may be easier for you to speak in your native language, Hindi, Spanish, Gujarati, Portuguese, whatever that may be, but you have to speak in English for the citizenship test. Mistake number 3, not bringing the right document. If you show up for your test and your interview and you have the wrong documents with you, immigration could cancel your interview altogether. So what's the solution? Bring your green card, your state ID or passport, proof of name change if applicable, tax returns, and marriage or divorce certificates if it's needed. Mistake number 4, lying or giving wrong answers. USCIS is going to compare your answers to those you gave during prior immigration applications. So if the answers don't match or you lie, you're going to have problems. Review your application and prepare well before your interview. And remember, always be honest. Number 5, failing to pay attention to key eligibility requirements. Some people apply before they're actually eligible, and that gets their application denied. So you want to make sure that you're applying at the right time, which is generally 5 years after you've been on the green card, or after 3 years if you're married to a citizen. Now, you can always apply 90 days before your eligibility period. And you're going to need to make sure that you've spent enough time in the U.S. during the preceding 3 or 5 year period of time. Also, you're going to have to show immigration that you've been paying taxes, you don't owe the IRS any money, or if you do, you're on a payment plan, and you don't have any serious criminal record. Look, let's be honest, the U.S. citizenship test is not hard if you prepare, but one mistake can cause delay or denial. If you have any questions about citizenship, I'm here for you. Drop your comment below or call us to book a consultation. I'm attorney Jennifer Bennett, and I'm here helping immigrants one visa at a time.